Electric vehicle outlets have become essential components in every garage, carport, and driveway. The Enerlites 66500M is a 50-amp, 125 or 250-volt outlet encased in a durable metal, weatherproof enclosure. It features multiple size knockouts and mounting holes for simple installation. This code-compliant in-use enclosure ensures the simple and secure addition of a dedicated charger outlet for electric vehicles. The 66500 receptacle is a NEMA 1450R receptacle that requires 4 wires, 2 hot, 1 neutral, and 1 ground. Enerlites highly recommends using a licensed electrician for installation. Installation requires the following tools: a wire stripper, a cordless screwdriver with a Phillips head tip, a flathead screwdriver, tongue and groove pliers, a voltage tester, 8-inch green jumper wire, and mounting screws. Start by ensuring the circuit breaker is switched off. Then use the voltage tester to verify the absence of live wires. Strip 5/8 inches off the wires that are to be connected to the receptacle and both ends of the jumper wire. Loosen the cover screws on the enclosure and remove the cover while leaving the outlet attached to the cover. Match the knockout on the weather box to the connector on the conduit and remove the knockout. Pull the wires through the opening and secure the connector with the connector nut. Attach the weather box to the wall with the mounting screws. Insert the neutral white wire into the W terminal and the 2 hot wires into the X and Y terminals. Then secure them by tightening the terminal screws. Secure the green jumper wire into the G terminal on the receptacle. Secure the other end of the jumper wire into the ground terminal inside the weather box. Secure the green wire from the conduit into the other ground terminal inside the weather box. Bend the wires as needed to fit them into the weather box while pushing the cover back into the fitted position. Be careful not to pinch the wires. Secure the cover back onto the weather box with the cover screws. Turn the power on at the circuit breaker. This charger can be installed indoors or outdoors. It is also lockable to prevent unwanted use of the outlet or to prevent the plug from being removed. Learn more about Enerlites charging solutions at enerlites.com.